Hello everybody, today we're going to be talking about book reports and how you can get your kiddos more interested in doing book reports. These are called Lapbooks. Instead of a plain old boring book report, you can make arts and crafts time out of it. If you just take a folder and then fold it up into 3 folds so it closes together. You want to get a colorful one because it's prettier. And then when you open it up, you can take all kinds of crafts and make notes on each chapter of the book that you read. So we start out on chapter 1 and chapter 2, 3, 4, and so on. And you can make different ways. You can make little things that open and shut to write about what happened in that chapter. You can draw pictures. You can add little clips, or you can make little note cards that you can open up, little envelopes. Practice your origami skills and slide in little information about the book you wrote. This is like chapter 6, and this is about chapter 6, and then it tucks right back down inside of the envelope. The younger kids have fun with this, but even the older kids have fun with this. It just makes it more entertaining. Here's another one. And I think the more colorful, the better. So you can put little flip books here and write about a chapter. But these are works in progress, so they're not done yet. So if you do multiple chapters, then you can do a few of these if you have a large book, and then glue them together like this, and then your book will fold up into like an accordion sort of, and then you can just open it up and it makes a nice little display, and it's just more entertaining. So for your kids that like hands-on projects but they don't like reading long chapter books and writing book reports, this is a good idea on how to make it more fun for them. And I hope you enjoy reading your chapter books and creating your lap books. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.